Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be vlog 1 in me documenting the process. I want to say the time period is approximately September 28th to around October 11th, 2025. So that's the first 2 weeks. As you can see, this is the position that I got in. It is currently 7:55 on the 29th. So that was Monday night. As you can see, overnight we almost got stopped out. Heading into early in the morning, we did hit stop loss, made a loss of 169.50, but I'm really confident about this position, so I re-entered. And as you can see, we are currently running in profit. That is on. Today is the 2nd, so what I'm going to do is just maybe it'll hit today, maybe it'll hit next week, but I'm gonna be holding this position. So it's currently Friday. As you can see, we went back up to entry point, so could have taken profits because usually on Fridays I don't really like to trade on Fridays because I hate holding trades over the weekend, but if I have to, I will most likely have to. So as you guys can see, it is currently Sunday the 5th. Looking at the positions, still holding this one. As you can see, I entered too early, hence the reason I got stopped out. But yeah, this is a position that I'm still really positive about. I'm confident in the confluences. The yellow horizontal line is my entry point. Also another position that I'm looking at is Euro JPY. So I'm actually seeing a possible reversal pattern forming here. It's called Head and Shoulders. I don't really like that name, but yeah, basically it looks like we've got a head at the top and 2 shoulders. I'm currently awaiting the formation of that shoulder for more confirmation. Also, I want to see it stay below the trend line. If it does go back into the trend line, this is not a position that I'm looking at. So I guess we'll see how it goes tomorrow morning. That's Monday the 6th. Also, this is something that I've been wanting to touch on because I've been seeing comments asking how do I go about getting clients for my freelance business, stuff like that. Just making some notes of what I want to talk about. But yeah, as you can see, it is currently Sunday the 5th of October, 1 p.m. and yes, I do use Trello. So guys, Monday morning, it is currently 7:15 in the AM. As you can see, TP smashed, profit of $381. So I was confident in this position. This is a setup that I'll keep taking. I love trading with the trend. They always say the trend is different. Anyways, so as you can see, back into profit on this account. It's currently 9:30 on Monday. I'm editing this video. I did take another entry on this position because I did see we got a little pullback, currently running in profit. I think I'll just close out for now because we're about 3 pips under the initial take profit that I had. I'm pretty happy with my profit at this point, but anyways, looking at the markets, it's currently Tuesday evening. I'm still looking at the downside on Euro USD. I do see the dollar strengthening. As you can see, we have quite a strong uptrend. What I do want to talk about is my outreach process for my freelance digital marketing. So that is what I'm going to be getting into now. So this is the spreadsheet that I use to track the businesses that I reach out to for my freelance work. We've got name, contact, email, phone, what social medias they have, if they have a website, do they take online bookings, any additional notes that I want to add, where they're at in my outreach process. So this is kind of how I track when I'm supposed to follow up, if I've received a response. I try to keep my follow-up days like within a week or two, not too far apart. It all depends on how the client is responding, if they're opening emails, if they're responding, if they're showing interest. Alright guys, so we're like an hour into Sunday. What I was looking at with this position, you can see running in profit. Got stopped out, but my stop loss was around here because I didn't want to take on that amount of risk on that particular account. So yeah, I got stopped out at this support resistance level. You can see price broke the trend line, retested previous support resistance, got wicked out, but eventually we started heading back down. You can see the dollar is getting stronger as predicted. With respect to Euro JPY, we didn't quite get that shoulder because of fundamentals. I think the new Prime Minister was sworn in, so that was major news. We broke above the level I was looking at, so that setup didn't follow through, and as you guys can see, it is currently 1 on Sunday the 12th. So that concludes it for the first vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one.